Good morning, children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Today I am going to teach you maths chapter multiplication, children. Okay, children. Multiplying by 0. Okay, children. Multiplying by 0. 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. For example, Sita has 0 mangoes in her basket. In her basket, see children, 0 mangoes, no mangoes. Geeta has 0 mangoes in her basket. She is Geeta. 0 mangoes in her basket. She is Neeta. Neeta has 0 mangoes in her basket. Okay, children, all the 3 girls has 0 mangoes in her baskets. How many mangoes are there in all? 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 3 zeros. 3 times 0, 3 zeros, 0. Understood, children? So there are no mangoes or 0 mangoes. Okay, children. 0 multiplied by any number. 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. You remember this point, children. 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. For example, 5 zeros 0, 2 zeros 0, 6 zeros 0, 10 zeros 0, 0 fours 0, 0 nines 0, 0 ones 0, 0 eights 0. 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. You remember, children? You remember 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Okay, children, you remember this one. When we will give 10 zeros, how much, children? If we will ask, you should say 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. Okay, children. Now multiply vertically. Now I explain multiplication, number line method, long way method, repeated addition. Isn't it, children? Now this one multiply vertically. You learn table, children. You learn tables 2 to 10 tables, no, children. Then very easily you can multiply, children. Easy. 6 5s are. How much, children? 30. 3 7s are 21. If you know tables, you can write answers, children. First you have to learn tables well, children. Then only you can do multiply vertically. Direct answer you will get in your mind if you know tables. 8 8s are 64. If you know table, then you can answer this one. Vertically you can multiply. 8. 4 2s are 8. 0 5s are 0. Multiply vertically. Say your table to help you complete these. You learn tables, no, children, 1 to 10 tables. So if you know tables well, then you can answer. Multiply vertically you can do, children. 6 5s are 30. 3 7s are 21. 8 8s are 64. 4 2s are 8. 0 5s are. I told you, no, children. If you multiply any number by 0 is always 0. 0 multiplied by any number is always 0. So 5 0, 0 5, 0, 5 zeros also 0. 5 6 are 30. If you know tables well, then only you can complete these, children. 7 9s are 63. 6 4s are 24. 7 7s are 49. I told you, no, this is multiplication sign. This is multiplication sign. 4 zeros 0. I told you, no, if you any number multiply by 0 always 0. 5 5s are 25. 9 7s are 63. These all multiply vertically sums you practice at home, children. Okay, children. These sums you practice at home, children. Now I will explain you. In multiplication we get the same answer even if we change the order. For example, 5 6 are 30. Here numbers 5 and 6. Here we will 6 5 are 30. Here 5 6 are 30. If we in multiplication we get the same answer even if we change the order. Here see 9 7 9s are 63. 9 7s are 63. Order if we change also we will get same answer, children. You remember, children, in multiplication we get the same answer even if we change the order. We will practice some more children. Here see, children, multiplication 4 8s are 32. 8 4s are 32. If we change the order also, if in multiplication we get the same answer even if we change the order. Now here see, children, put the right number in box. 3 5s are how much you write here, children? 15. Okay, children, here 15 given, 3 given, another number is not given. You have to fill this number. 3 5s are 15. So here you write 5. 6 2s are 12 you write here in this box. And here 12 given, 6 given. What number is not there? 2. 2 6 are 12. 7 4s are 28. 28 in the box you write, children. Put the right number. 7 4s are 28. If you know tables, then only you can write, children. Here 28 given, 7 given, here box given. What number you have to write? Here 7 4s are 28. If you write 4 here, 4 7s are also 28. Why, children? In multiplication we get the same number even if we change the order. Okay, children. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay, children, we change the order. Okay, children, we if in multiplication we get the same answer if we change the order. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. 4 6s are 24. We change the order. Here 6 into 4, here 4 into 6. But same answer we got. Here 10 box 40. 10 4s are 40. Here 10 given, 40 given. How many times? So 10 44. 4 10s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 48. Here 6 given, 48 given. In this box you have to fill. So what number you have to write? 6 8s are 48. 8. Here order change. 8 6s are 48. 6 8s are 48. 3 9s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 9 5s are 45. 5 9s are 45. 6 7s are 42. 7 6s are 42. You see, children, here 6 7 42 is there. If this box you have to right number you have to write in the box. Here 6 is there, 42 is there. What number is not there? 7. You can write 7 here. 7 6 are 42. This way you can put the right number in the box. Okay, children. Here is the assignment, children. Say your table to help you complete this. I told you, no, children. 2 3s are 6. 0 7s are 0. You write these all answers, children. You know, you read tables every day morning. 2 to 10 tables you have to read, children, tables. Then you write, children, assignment. You can answer easily, children. Okay, children, we will meet you in next online class, children.